In an ever-changing world, being prepared for the unexpected is a necessity. So today we're going to explore the vital role of first aid training in disaster preparedness. So first aid training is not just about your injuries, it's about being ready for any crisis, natural or man-made. So let's delve into how this training can make a significant impact in times of disaster. And here are the key points to consider. Immediate response to injuries during disasters, minimize severity and complications through prompt care, enhanced disaster preparedness and safety measures, boosted employee morale and confidence during crisis, a more resilient and well-prepared workforce. First aid training for disaster preparedness is not just a course, it's a commitment to the safety and well-being of your team. It's about knowing that you have the skill to respond effectively when disaster strikes. First aid training for disaster preparedness is not just a precaution, it's a lifeline in terms of crisis. Because in your workplace, preparedness is the key to a safer and more resilient future.